Samsung just dropped something crazy good with One UI 8.5, and it's not just smoother animations or new wallpapers. This update gives your Galaxy phone a fresh new vibe, smarter tools, and visuals that feel straight out of the future. Let's break down what's new and why everyone's talking about it. One UI 8.5 brings a completely refreshed AI image editor. It's faster, more fluid, and feels a lot cleaner to use. The animations now glide smoothly, and the overall design has that polished Samsung touch that just feels premium. But wait, there's more. According to a reliable user, M.A. Sithic on X, Samsung has also revamped the screen recording interface. And this one's a total game changer. You can now record only a specific part of your screen, perfect for tutorials or reels. Enjoy a cleaner and modern layout for recording tools, and even see live recording notifications right in your status bar. Samsung is clearly obsessed with refining every tiny detail of One UI 8.5, especially on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And here's the cherry on top. One UI 8.5 introduces two new animated wallpapers, one of which actually reacts to your phone's gyro sensor, making your screen feel alive and responsive. One UI 8.5 isn't just another update. It's Samsung showing off how smooth, smart, and visually stunning Android can be. Every animation, every icon, every motion feels next level. So what do you think? Is One UI 8.5 Samsung's best update yet? Or are you waiting for One UI 9? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you love staying ahead with Samsung's latest updates, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a single hidden feature or update breakdown. More One UI 8.5 secrets are coming your way soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.